Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is How to Fix Your Tech. Now today I'm back with another video. So I decided to teach you how to install the Epic Games Launcher. Now this will unlock a lot of things like being able to install Rocket League or heaps of Epic Games and some of them are actually free, including Rocket League and unfortunately Fortnite. But anyway, until then, let's actually talk about some stuff before the intro. Now, two things. The first thing is, I've got a new channel. It's called Dillmore42 Music. I'm going to put it in the description. There's actually a video uploading right now as we speak. But anyway, if you're interested, you can check that out. And the second thing is, if you have any video ideas, they'd be greatly appreciated in the comments, as I do not have many ideas left. Hopefully some future builds will happen, but I haven't got much of an idea for a next video. But anyway, until then, let's roll the intro. Now, as you can see, I am on VirtualBox, even though it doesn't look like it. I did manage to get rid of this menu bar down the bottom. It was annoying me. But anyway, first thing to do, go into your browser. Now, the one time, I do actually have Firefox instead of Edge, so I'm going to use it. Then all you have to do is search up Epic Games Launcher. And then just wait. Alright, now all you have to do is go up here to the top one, and I would prefer to use Google if I was you, because Google does the job much better. Alright, now all you have to do is go download Epic Games Launcher. Now downloading the Epic Games Launcher will unlock the store, so you can download stuff on it. Then all you have to do is click Save File. Now once that's done, click on it. Wherever you can click on it, if you Chrome and Edge down here, Firefox and Internet Explorer up here. Then all you can do is click OK. Then you can click Install. Click Yes to user account control, and make sure the verified publisher is Epic Games Inc. Click yes to the user account control again. Alright, and it should download an update. So I'll see you when that's done. Alright, so that's done. Now all you have to do is click yes. Alrighty guys, so once you're done here, you can start to sign in. Now I'm going to sign in, I'm not going to show it, but you, all you have to do is select what you want to sign in with. I'm going to sign in with Steam because I want all my games accounts kind of linked, but I'll see you after that. And just like that, we're in. So hopefully this video helped you. As you can see, it's bringing out this, so you can choose an install location. I'm just going to do this because, you know, it's in the right spot. But then you click yes. And now it's installing something. Now we'll just click OK because this VirtualBox doesn't have enough space. But as you can see, we can go in here. Now if you do want to see something else, make sure to leave it in the comments, like a Steam install. Depends how good this video goes, because if it's useless, I'm probably not going to bother. But make sure to note them in the comments, and everyone's suggestion will be written down. Whether it's better than someone else's or not, I'll still use it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is How to Fix Your Tech, and I'll see you in another video.